Good morning and welcome to Yin Yoga. Start in a seated position. Close your eyes. Relax your shoulders and start to scan your body from head to toe. Finding that inner feeling of what it feels like to have your attention on your head, moving your energies down your face, down your neck, to your shoulders, through your chest and your heart, down into your lungs and rib cage, down into your belly button. Continuing to move the energy to your hips, down through your thighs, to your knees, down your calves and shins, eventually reaching your ankles, feet, and toes. When you're ready, we're going to go ahead and use our chair for a one-legged forward fold. So if you don't have a chair, go ahead and pause the video and grab yourself a chair. We are doing a one-legged forward fold, so right foot comes into the inner thigh. You can also use a pillow to support underneath your inner thigh. And relax your upper body, head, and arms onto the seat of your chair. If you'd like to go a little deeper, you can move your chair a little further away from you so that you can get a little bit deeper of a stretch. But the idea here is to be supported. Using your breath to dive deeper into relaxation. Every exhale, relax your whole entire body even more. Take your time, switch your feet. Left sole of the foot towards the inner thigh. Right leg long, stretching and leaning on our chair. If you're relaxed, continue to use your breath to find any underlying tension that might be hiding somewhere in the crevices. Take your time. Now moving into our two-legged forward fold with the chair. Same idea. Stretch your heels long and relax. Your breathing should be deep but not forced. Using your breath to soothe yourself from the inside out. Letting go of the week, letting go of the day and any expectations. We can now remove our chair. Let's grab some pillows. I don't know how many you have, but grab as many as you need. We're going into straddle stretch, so legs long on the wide side of our mat. Let's go ahead and grab whatever you need. And instead of stretching arms long and wide, Once you have your pillow stack on point, you're just gonna hug those pillows as you fold forward. If you tuck your chin in, you'll feel a little bit more stretch down the spine, but just make sure that you keep your face out of the pillows enough so that you can still breathe. Close your eyes and allow yourself to melt forward. Relaxing your face, your shoulders. When you're ready, come out of your forward fold slowly. We're going to cross our legs, sitting on our butt. I'm going to grab a few pillows. Feel free to do the same. Forward fold in this cross-legged seat. You can feel the stretch in your back, in your lower back specifically, also in the hips. Use your pillows as modifications. If it's too deep, get more pillows, maybe get a block, or you could even go back to the chair. But if you want a deeper stretch, use less pillows. Supported relaxation, supported lengthening and expansion. Staying connected to our breath. Okay, come up slowly. We're gonna get one stack of pillows for our head. I'm choosing my big pillows, extra comfort. So we're gonna tuck our knees to one side as we lie on our side. So knees tucked towards the same side, giving your pillows a nice big hug, and this is a restorative lying twist. If this feels amazing to you right now, stay here, close your eyes, and connect to your breath. If you'd like a little bit more of a twist, you can always feel free to open your left shoulder a little bit back, or whatever shoulder is pointing up towards the ceiling. But move in your own time. See what feels right for you. Let's take a few more big breaths. If your mind is racing, thoughts are coming, let them come. but our attention is on relaxation. When you're ready, press yourself up with control and ease, and you can either just roll to the other side or bring your stack to the other side of your mat. Restorative lying twist on the other side. If you haven't noticed already in life, the more present, the more still, the more quiet we are, the more relaxed we are on the inside, the more energy is allotted to us from life, the more charged up we feel, the more energy we have to take on the day and to remain in that tranquil place. Again, you can feel free to open your top shoulder towards the back a little bit. You can adjust your arms so that you have a deeper twist in the lower back. But if you're okay where you are, stay right where you are. Remain present. Slowly press out of your lying twist. Now let's put a pillow under each of our knees. I'm just setting up here. We're going to go into a lying butterfly stretch. So just moving things out of my way. What you're going to do is bring a pillow or pillow stack under your head when you lay down, and then we're bringing both feet together, coming onto our back, and letting our knees open wide. Let gravity take them wherever they want to be taken. So soles of the feet together, hips open. Use pillows as support. Or if you have the range of motion and you can relax in this position, you can remove your pillows. Put your arms however you like, or you can put one hand over the heart, one hand over the stomach. Intuition and inspiration. Allow those two things to flow. Feel the inspiration coming into your heart as you inhale, and notice how it goes down into your gut, into your intuition. As you exhale, release anything that doesn't serve inspiration, anything that doesn't serve intuition, like excessive thinking, worry, anxiety. Let that go. Melt back into your trusting center. Let's take a couple more big breaths. Take your time. You can roll onto one side, press yourself up. We can use a couch, that same chair that you've been using, or a wall, anything elevated. We're gonna lay back down, set your chair up or your wall position to where your feet are elevated, knees are supported. If you're on the wall, your butt is up against the wall, legs are straight up. But for me today, I'm just gonna use the chair and allow the blood flow to release from our legs. Moving down into our hips and into our heart. For these next couple minutes, dive deeper and deeper into your relaxing center. Beautiful. Slowly roll onto one side, press yourself back up. Move any objects that might be in your way. Come into a comfortable seat, spine slightly vertical. Close your eyes. Continue to feel the relaxation flowing through every cell of your body. Notice how the stillness inside of you matches the stillness outside of you. Carry this stillness with you as you move throughout your day. And watch how much more profound life can be experienced from this quiet position. If you'd like a little cherry on top, as we exhale, let's roll our chin down into our chest. As we inhale, we open our throat to the sky. 3 neck rolls on each side. Nice and slow. Once you've done 3 one side, do 3 on the other side. Thank you for joining me today. Have a very blessed and serene rest of your day.